If your case sentence is 256, now I'm going to explain about the experiment 9 actually, that is of pointers in virtual functions. So here, write a program that reads a group of numbers from the user and places them in an array of type float. Once the numbers are stored in the array, the program should average them and print the result. Use pointer notation wherever possible. So these two are compulsory questions that we need to do. Here, let's see the first question. That is, so this is a code for that. So here you could see that this is the normal function I have done. So in this, enter number of numbers in the first, then float into array, that is new float of length. So the length can be of any number. So here I have taken I equal to 0 and I is less than length. So int and also represented plus plus I. So in the second line, that is enter number of slash. So I have given it as I plus 1, and then see in that is I have given into array plus I. So in float average I have given as 0.0, and that can be constant. So int I equal to 0, that is here I less than length and plus plus I. So in average plus I have given into of array plus I. So in average equal to length, average slash equal to length. So see out average value of enter numbers is, we need to give average value of enter numbers. I mean, we need to get that. So here the program has 100. So now just execute, control that. Enter the number of numbers, right? So I'm entering as 3 numbers. So first number take it as 5 and 4, second number as 6, and third number as 7. So now we could see the average value of enter number is 5.666 and 7. Yeah, so hence proof. And now let's see the next program. That is, suppose you have a main with 3 local arrays all the same size and type. Say float. The first two are already initialized the values. Write a function called add arrays that accepts the address of the 3 arrays as arguments and adds the contents of the first 2 arrays together, element by element, and places the result in the third array before returning. And a fourth argument to this function can carry the size of the arrays. Use pointer notation throughout. The only place you need brackets is in defining the arrays. So let's see the program. Now, so this is the program for the second one. Now here you can see that I've given constant int size of 5, and in the main function I've given void add arrays, that is, as they said, to multiply the floats. So I've given 3 floats mentioned, and float array 1 is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and array 2 of 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and array 3 size. So array 3 size demands that is both of multiplication of array 1 and array 2. So here that is add arrays, right? So it will be showing that in the down I have represented array 3 plus I. So the void arrays, add arrays, so float into a1, float into a2, float into a3, that is int n. Now for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So that is of into a3 plus I equal to into a1 plus I plus into a2 plus I. Now just execute the compile the program. Now execute it. Here you go. Now you could see the result, that is as 2468, right? Now I'm gonna explain about the other question that I need to do. That is in compulsory. So this is the question of, this is my question. So it is that, so here my question is, create a base called shape use this class to store two double type values that could be compute the areas of figures. You write two specific classes called triangle and rectangle for the base shape. So in the base shape of rectangle we need to give length and breadth, and the triangle we need to give it as uh, the dimensions as so we need to find the area. So in order to find the area, uh, so we need to give two formula, that is area is equals to area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, right? So in the triangle also we could see it from the program that vi uh, yeah, so now we could see that. So yeah, I've given us class as shape as said. Now I've given two values x and y as for class triangle. Could see that a1 equal to 0.5 into x into y, that is 0.5 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into x into y is the formula of area of triangle. So in the same way for the rectangle there are length and breadth. So for the area it is height and base. For this it is height and base. So in the final program when you execute compile that, now you execute it, now you could see that enter any x value 4 and enter any y value y as 5. So the height of the triangle is 5 and the height of the base of the triangle is 4. So totally that is area of triangle is 10. So half into 5 into 4, that is 10. So they enter the value of x. Now for the rectangle, so I'm entering as x and the value of 5 is 5. So now you can get a 30. So enter the area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 6 into 5, that is 30. So hence